Did you know most Excel users waste hours every week doing tasks manually? Let's get started. 1. Auto sum. Instead of typing formulas manually, select the cell below your numbers and press. Alt plus equals Excel instantly creates a sum formula and calculates the total. Simple, fast, and accurate. 2. Flash fill magic. Need to separate first and last names? Type the desired result once, then press Ctrl plus E. Excel automatically detects the pattern and fills the remaining cells. It's like AI built into Excel. 3. Freeze top row. Working with large spreadsheets? Go to View Arrow Freeze Panes, Arrow Freeze Top Row. Now your headers stay visible while scrolling. No more getting lost in data. 4. Remove duplicate entries. Want clean data? Select your table. Go to Data Arrow Remove Duplicates. Excel instantly removes repeated entries, perfect for customer lists and reports. 5. Filter. Data instantly. Select your data and press Ctrl plus Shift plus L. Filter buttons appear automatically. Now you can sort and find information in seconds. 6. Convert data into a table. Select your data and press Ctrl plus T. Excel creates a smart table with filtering and automatic formatting. A must-use feature for professionals. 7. Quick date shortcut. Need today's date? Press Ctrl plus semicolon. Excel inserts the current date instantly. 8. Quick time. Shortcut. Need the current time? Press Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon. No typing required.